Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to you all. Loving. I hope you guys are doing safe. For today, as you see, 5 basic questions from English language to Patois. Same thing as Creole. Alright, and see Patois for Patois if you get what I'm saying. Alright, so stay tuned, watch this entire video, leave me a comment down below, tell me what you think of this video and what you'd like to see me do next. Alright, where are you from? Or where you come from? Yes guys, let's start. How do you do? English, how do you do? And now in Patois, how they do? How they do? How they do, my folks? How they do? Yes, so now you get that one. How do you do? And the next one, where are you from? Where are you from? Where you come from? Where you come from? Where you come from. Alright? And you can put in a little sauciness to it. Alright? Yes. The next one. What is your name? What is your name? Where your name? Where your name? Where your name? Alright? Yes. You get it. Yes. Same so. My name is Jazzy. My name Jazzy. My name is Jazzy. My name Jazzy. So you can say it now with your name. My name. Alright? Alright, the next one. What are you doing? What are you doing? How you do? How you do? Eh? And depending on where you come from in Jamaica, they're going to put it even some way more drama into it. And when we say drama, I mean attitude. Yes, I know I want to go, but I have to go right now. Thank you for watching. Yes, thank you. See you on Thursday. Okay, bye.